Hello again, everybody. James Walden here, going to give you another real short review lesson, this time over the FOIL method. I was teaching Algebra 2 last year and noticed that it had been a couple years since some of the kids had used the FOIL method to multiply, and was really slowing down the process. So this year I thought I'd make a video that everyone could go back and look at, and that way maybe refresh them on it, get them a little bit better at it so we didn't have to spend class time doing it. So anyway, what is the FOIL method? Well, the actual letters FOIL stand for first, outside, inside, last. And it's just an acronym for how to multiply two binomials together. On this example I have down here, I have x plus 6 times x plus 9. And we could use the distributive property to multiply these together, collect like terms. And if you think about it, the FOIL method is the distributive property, just with a different acronym, a different, I guess you'd say, explanation. It turns out to work exactly the same. If we start here and we take the first term in each set of parentheses and multiply them together, x times x is x squared. If we go to the outside terms, that would be, in fact, let me change color to red here. This is the outside, the other outside term. So this would be x times 9, which is a positive 9x. You will need to carry a sign down there. Inside terms, well, let me get some of this writing off here so we can go. Inside terms, this is the inside parts of the parentheses. So those are your inside terms. If we multiply 6 times x, we get a positive 6x. And then L for last. Last is the last term in each set of parentheses. 6 times 9, positive 54. After we do that, we just try to see if we can collect any like terms. In this case, we can collect the 2 in the middle. We'll leave the x squared. Just drop it down. 9x add 6x is 15x. And then we'll just drop the 54 down. So right there, that is the trinomial, not always trinomial, but it is in this case, trinomial formed when you multiply x plus 6 times x plus 9. Got a couple more examples for you. Example 2. And again, let me just put that up here in this corner. FOIL. That's how we're going to do it. Alright, let's take the first terms. 3x times 2x. That's going to be 6x squared. Let's take the outside term. 3x and 5. 3x times 5 is 15x. Inside term, 2 and 2x. That makes 4x when you multiply them together. And the last terms, 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Try to collect like terms if you can. We can again in this case. 6x squared plus 19x plus 10. For the last example, I went ahead and put a negative in there. I didn't want you to think that it was always going to be positive answers. Do the FOIL method one more time. First, 6x times 4x is 24x squared. We'll do the outside. 4x times 1 is positive 4x. Do the inside. Negative 7. Now see that negative comes into play. Negative 7 times 6x is negative 42x. And then on the last ones, negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Notice in this case we have two negative numbers back there. We'll make, you have to pay a little more attention when you're collecting the like terms. 24x squared. Okay, you've got positive 4x, take away 42, that's negative 38x. And the negative 7 drops down. Let me write that a little more clearly for you. 24x squared minus 38x minus 7. Okay, everyone, that was just a little short refresher on the FOIL method. If you need any more help with it, just come see me during your prep period. Thanks again for watching.